Discover financial flexibility with an ebook home-based business. Financial freedom can only be acknowledged with effort, development, and a popular, however trusted product or service. With an internet service, these three frequently get clouded with having nearly too numerous opportunities. You can easily get dissuaded when looking into the overwhelming variety of businesses, places that are offered online. But with ebooks, lots of small business owners are discovering monetary freedom while providing long-lasting items of worth. Ebooks are electronic books that might contain graphics, images, sounds, and materials associated with any topic. They can likewise include links to different websites for promos or illustrations. It is really economical to produce an ebook, but yet people take pleasure in reading them every day because they are typically affordable or totally free and deal recommendations and ideas on a range of topics. Ebooks are popular online. The subject can be anything from how to generate income online to how to become a home business. Ebooks may likewise cover more particular subjects such as how to earn money with a craft organization or cross-stitching pointers for the beginners. The possibilities for ebook topics are limited. Ebook home-based business fact. Starting an ebook organization suggests you are offering ebooks for sale online to a specific target market. You might sell just one or a couple of ebooks, or you might even sell numerous of them. The option is yours, but of course, the more ebooks you offer, the more chances you have to earn a lucrative income. Here's how it works. You promote your ebook using different strategies such as an email newsletter, enzyme, search engine promotions, paid advertisements, or other approaches. Customers will visit your website to read your presentation. They will download it straight from your website or from an email when they acquire one of your ebooks. You can even automate the whole process to make things easier on you and the customer. The factor ebooks are so effective for acquiring monetary liberty is because as soon as they're created, you do not have to do anything other than promote them. You can create an automatic cash system that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Ebooks can be offered and downloaded by your clients while you sleep. Resell ebooks to earn money. If you don't desire to compose your own ebook, you can also develop a monetary system and delight in monetary freedom by reselling ebooks that others have composed. With this type of house service, you will buy rights to various ebooks, often hundreds of them, and resell them as your own. Some companies supply business opportunities in which you'll receive a number of advantages together numerous ebooks to resell. These opportunities may cost a little upfront, however, are certainly worth the investment for beginning your own home business. The ebook item alone can generate a really healthy cash system for several years to come. Just like any home business, Selling ebooks will take some time to build and promote. As soon as the ball's rolling, you'll enjoy financially flexibility and success like never ever prior to. With ebooks, many little business owners are discovering monetary freedom while providing long-lasting products of worth. Starting an ebook company implies you are offering ebooks for sale online to a particular targeted audience. If you do not desire to compose your own ebooks, you can likewise create a cash system and enjoy financial flexibility by reselling ebooks that others have written, as I have already suggested. As with this type of house company, you will buy rights to numerous ebooks, in some cases hundreds of them, and resell them as your own product. Some companies supply service chances, in which you'll receive a number of advantages along with hundreds of ebooks to resell. Just to poke it home to you, I've said it all again for you. Save you dropping back on the video. Now, my name's Ian Jackson, and my YouTube channel has got almost 300, I think now. They're videos on ways to earn money online. This could maybe help you find something that you desire. So my YouTube channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. One more, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. All on how to earn money on the internet, how to set up websites, how to get browsers going the proper way, and all that kind of stuff you need for the internet. Also, there's plenty of links underneath this video as well. They are programs I have joined that I like. I don't own any of them. I am affiliated to all of them. Tools I have purchased to do videos and soundtracks and doing the editing, stuff like that. They're all underneath my video. All links are affiliated links, so if you click on any, decide to buy or join, I will get a small commission. Also, underneath the video, you'll see a like button. I think it's a thumb up, either that way or that way. Click on that, because that helps me. Press the like and subscribe if you wish. Also, at the top there's a bell. Click on the bell. Next to the bell, I believe it's all. Click on all, and YouTube will let you know when I put another video up if you don't want to visit my channel. So whilst I'm here, I must say one thing. Whatever you're wanting to start or do, please do the research. There's a lot of scamming going on the internet, so do your research. I suggest a Google or YouTube. Just one thing, you can put it in the browser of Google. With YouTube, you put in how to make money online, how to start a business at home, how to do sewing, how to do crochet work, anything like this, and they come up with a video for you. So thank you for being here. Please subscribe, and also press the like button. It's Ian Jackson once more saying all the very best in your business, and may you be successful as I am. Hope to see you again sometime. It's goodbye from Ian Jackson.